guys, and welcome to today's video. So we're getting into summertime and that means swimming. So I am going to be going over my tips for caring for my hair after swimming. This is going to be a super short video, I think. There's not much I do, but these tips could help you. That rhymed. So the number one most important thing, and I think the one that most people know to do, is to rinse your hair after you go swimming. Obviously, if you get your hair wet, if you don't, then don't worry about it. But this is for when you actually get your hair wet swimming. So rinse your hair, rinse it very well, get all of the chlorine out, and that is like the number one thing. If you don't do anything else in this video, do that. Now, for me, since I cut my hair, I have preferred to wash and condition it after swimming, but that can be a very hard process to do multiple times throughout the week if you have a lot of hair, or even it can just, your hair can get really dry. So I've enjoyed doing that because I really feel like it just gets everything, all the pool water out of my hair. But with that, you have to moisturize your hair a lot more. So that leads into my next step my next tip rather, is you might find your hair to be a lot drier from just, the chlorine in general, or just washing your hair more often. So really keep an eye on it, and if it feels dry, moisturize it, seal it in, do all of that, and that should help. So another thing that I like to do before I cut my hair is to not wear it in a bun or like a ponytail, or even just down. I liked to wear it in some sort of like braided style or twist, like just twist it into like, semi big sections and put it up in a bun then. Because pool water can tangle your hair a lot, I find it's a lot easier to deal with if it's, in a style where it can't tangle as easily. So having it just in like a bun or something, it for me, it was a pain to go in and detangle it. So I recommend, if you can, just having your hair be not so easy to tangle. However you want to do that, there's a ton of different ways. You can, put your hair up in like a braided style. You can just cornrow it back, something like that. That should really help with the detangling process when you do decide to go wash your hair or whatever. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Bye!